Hey guys, it's Samuel from SamuelTubeHD, and last night the 2021 Kids' Choice Awards were amazing. There were stars, surprises, and a whole lot of slime. But who brought home the blips? Glad you asked. Here's a recap from some of tonight's winners from the 2021 KCAs. So here we go. Favorite Kids TV Show, Alexa and Katie. Favorite Family TV Show, Stranger Things. The favorite video game was Among Us. LeBron James won for Favorite Male Sports Star. Simone Biles won for Favorite Female Sports Star. Charli D'Amelio was the favorite female social star. BTS was the favorite global music star. Dynamite was the favorite song. And Stuck With You by Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber was the favorite music collaboration. Your favorite male artist is Justin Bieber. Ariana Grande won for favorite female artist. Kendrick from Trolls World Tour won for favorite voice from an animated movie. Your favorite animated movie was Soul. Your favorite movie actor is Robert Downey Jr. Your favorite movie actress is Millie Bobby Brown. But hold on. Not only did Millie Bobby Brown won for favorite movie actress, she also won favorite female TV star. Your favorite male TV star, Jace Norman. Your favorite movie is Wonder Woman 1984. Your favorite reality show, America's Got Talent. Wow, so that was the recap from some of tonight's winners. So check the description below for the complete list of winners. So the KCs were super amazing. A big shout out to all the Samuelinators who voted for them in each category. And let's not forget all of you guys, because without kids, there is no Kids' Choice. And now there's only one thing left to do. You know what? I think we're gonna need some more slime. Mommy! Get up!
No, yo
Vente
no,
aquí.
no, yo no me voy a echar a
No, para echar a mí, ven! Okay, listo? 3, 2, 1! 3, 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and join my family, doing all things, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!